Mental health is a topic that is often overlooked or misunderstood in our society. Many people associate mental health with mental illness, but the truth is that mental health encompasses so much more than just disorders or conditions. It is a fundamental aspect of our overall well-being and affects every aspect of our lives. Our mental health is just as important as our physical health, yet it is often neglected or stigmatized. We live in a society that values productivity and success above all else, often at the expense of our mental well-being. We are constantly bombarded with messages that tell us we need to be perfect, to always be happy, and to never show weakness. This pressure can take a toll on our mental health, leading to stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. But mental health is not just about avoiding mental illness. It is about building resilience, coping with life's challenges, and finding balance in our lives. It is about taking care of ourselves, both physically and emotionally, so that we can live our best lives. When we prioritize our mental health, we are better able to handle stress, make healthy choices, and maintain positive relationships. There are many factors that can influence our mental health, including genetics, environment, and life experiences. Some people are more predisposed to mental health issues than others, but that does not mean that mental health is predetermined. We have the power to improve our mental health through self-care, therapy, medication, and other interventions. One of the most powerful tools for improving mental health is therapy. Therapy provides a safe space for us to explore our thoughts and feelings, gain insight into our behaviors, and learn coping skills. A therapist can help us identify negative thought patterns, challenge our beliefs, and develop healthier ways of thinking. Therapy can be a transformative experience, helping us to heal from past traumas, improve our relationships, and build resilience. Another important aspect of mental health is self-care. Self-care is the practice of taking care of ourselves, both physically and emotionally, in order to maintain our well-being. This can include activities such as exercise, meditation, journaling, spending time with loved ones, and engaging in hobbies. Self-care looks different for everyone, but the key is to prioritize activities that nourish our minds, bodies, and spirits. In addition to therapy and self-care, medication can also play a role in improving mental health. Medication can help to manage symptoms of mental illness, such as depression or anxiety, and can be a valuable tool in conjunction with therapy and other interventions. It is important to work with a qualified healthcare provider to determine the best treatment plan for your individual needs. It is also important to recognize the impact of social support on mental health. Our relationships with others can have a profound effect on our mental well-being. Having a strong support system of friends, family, or community can provide us with emotional support, validation, and a sense of belonging. It is important to cultivate healthy relationships and to seek help when needed. In our fast-paced, high-stress world, it can be easy to neglect our mental health. We may feel overwhelmed by our responsibilities, or we may feel ashamed to seek help. But the truth is that taking care of our mental health is one of the most important things we can do for ourselves. When we prioritize our mental well-being, we are better able to handle life's challenges, build resilience, and live fulfilling lives. It is important to remember that mental health is a journey, not a destination. It is a lifelong process of self-discovery, growth, and healing. There will be ups and downs along the way, but with the right support and resources, we can navigate the challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. So let us not be afraid to prioritize our mental health. Let us seek help when we need it, practice self-care, and cultivate healthy relationships. Let us challenge the stigma surrounding mental health and advocate for better access to mental health resources. Let us empower ourselves and others to prioritize mental health, because our mental well-being is truly our greatest asset.